Folks, what's up? So we're here in Kingston making a delivery, and you know, so when we come make the delivery, we always give away freeness. So let me take this off so I can talk to you until we go inside. So we're going to give away some freeness, right? Because you know, so when we come, we meet and greet with new and existing customers and we give away freeness. But you're not going to just get it, so you know, you have to answer a question and select from the envelope to get the freeness. I just wanted to show you guys this, right? If you are a small business owner, you are going to be able to get a 30% discount on your shipping charges with us. Alright? Once your business qualifies, we're going to give you the 30% discount. So, small business owners, listen up, take the discount, put more money in your pocket. Alright? Ship with us, we'll come and deliver it to your small business. Guys, this is my lines road. And here's me I travel my lines road. You know, you see this building here is a church. Isn't that beautiful? I never noticed that this church was so beautiful until I come up here. But anyways, let's go guys. Let's go make the delivery and do some freeness. Come in. Come and show them the name of the place. Sell it up. Guys, if you're in the Malines Road area, come check them out now. They do cell phone repair and all sorts of stuff. Alright? So come and check them out. Support the small businesses, alright? Alright. Come in. Alright, how you doing? Nice. So, this is not your first time watching food, no? No. Good. You like it? No. You love the service? You like tell people to come join us and ship with us? You know you hear that? Right now, no matter delay. Alright, so you know I'm here and I'm here to give you a free shipping coupon, right? But we can't just give it so. I have to ask you a question. I'm going to ask that question, I'm going to select from this one. One of you in a real price, one of you in a movie price. You think I can select the one of you in a real price?
I can check.
I'm going to say it again. Alright, it's a shadow check. I'm going to say it. First question. Alright, so, on our website, we have so many promotions, right? So many so that we can't even remember all of them. So we have something on the website, a little link named promotion on our website. Where on the website is that little link that says promotion that people need to go and click on to see all the promotions that we have? She said what?
At the bottom of the page.
Guys, she said down at the end of the page. Me no know. Is that right, guys? Guys, can you log into our website and check it for me? We're going to wait till I check it and come back.
Can you give me his number?
Are you back now? Alright, she's right. She's right. But let's go. See the go on this envelope. We should have been the price. Does not have been anything. She want this one, guys. Alright, let's see. You want what me tell you want me what me? Oh Lord. Let me see that. Let me see. Oh man. Read it for me. Read it.
Congratulations, you want a free shipping coupon.
Guys, you want it. Give me a happy dance. You have a happy dance? Alright, do you see a happy dance? Want to see a happy dance? Let me try it. Go. Let me try that dance. Show me. I saw it up. Guys, you want person the free shipping coupon. Remember to see a list of all our promotions. Scroll all the way down to the end of the page. Look for the word that says promotions. Click on it and you're going to see a list of all the promotions we have. Alright, small business owners, big up on yourself. Remember, sign up, forget to know 30% discount. Say bye bye for me.
Bye guys.
Bye.